Thank you for supporting me for my first video. So guys, today I am showing you how to make portable fan with the help of basic needs that is available in your room, like one tape, electrical tape, scissor. It is the fan that I make. It is cardboard. The main element is this motor and one cord. So guys, you can see I have connected the motor with this cord. You can see this. The red wire is connected is a positive wire and blue is a negative wire. It is connected with this motor. It is a DC motor which is normally used in small appliances, or you can collect from the market. This is the USB cable port. Normal USB. So I will put this and show you how it works. So let's do it, guys. So friends, so I have stick this tape in this fan. You can see. Now I connect the wire. I am showing you. You can see the blue wire in the positive and red wire is a negative port. So I connected and I will tape this wire so there will be no current. Now the wire is connected with the port. Now I will connect this port in the socket. The fan is working properly. Like this, you have to make the fan. Afterwards, I will stick the tape in this port so that you can see the fan is working properly. The wind is also coming. Like this way, you have to make this. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share the video. Thank you for watching it, guys. So guys, I made the cardboard box from my shoe box. You can see this. This is the fan and this is the motor and this is the wire coming and connected. So it is a normal table fan. I hope you like it. It is not so beautiful, guys. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I need more subscribers. So guys, the table fan is working properly. Please like, subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thank you for watching it, guys.